Getting a good score in GRE and IELTS is essential for you to not just get an admit into a good college, but also to make a great career for yourself in whichever country you aspire to go to. I am here going to give you 3 reasons why you should be looking at joining Condura to help you in this journey. Number 1, to be successful, you need to be surrounded by people who are successful. Each of the faculty members here individually have more than a decade of experience in training students and helping them score the highest of the high marks. My name is Abdullah and I personally have 335 out of 340 in GRE, and yes, I teach vocabulary at Condura Visakhapatnam. The second reason is the ecosystem. To score high, you need to be provided the right support. Support in terms of concept videos, in terms of sectional test, in terms of the full length test. Condura prides itself to be one of the only organization which allows you to submit your AWA essays online to be corrected and given to you as a feedback. Furthermore, with the facilities that we have in terms of a 70 computer lab, which is open from early morning to late evening, students who are essentially staying in hostels, because we do get a lot of students coming from different cities coming down during summers to Visakhapatnam only to attend the GRE classes. These labs will facilitate your preparation in a bigger way. Third reason, listen to the market. Today, Condura and GRE are synonymous. One of the reasons why we are market leaders in the whole of Andhra Pradesh is because we are good at producing results. Join us to help you join the college of your choice. All the very best.